Have you looked at the gas prices again lately? It's just weird time. We have a war going on. The market is down. The stock market is down. The real estate market seems like it's coming down. But hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, your host of Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast, where individuals like yourself come to learn how to create wealth through real estate investing. And in this episode, I'm going to share with you the current update right from Redfin, an article on what's happening with inventory, what's happening with demand, what is happening in the real estate industry right now. Make sure you stay to the end so that you can get my thoughts on what I think is happening here. And the article here is talking about home sales listings plunge over 20% in September, most on record aside from the pandemic start. So basically, guys, this is the worst since this pandemic. Both buyers and sellers retreat in September as surging mortgage rates made moving more expensive, okay? Still, home prices rose 8% year over year due to persistent tight supply and inflation. About 60,000 deals were called off. That's a lot, man. That's a big number. Equal to 17% of homes that went under contract, the highest share on record aside from March 2020. That number right there is absolutely insane. And I'm wondering the psychology of why people are calling it off. This article doesn't say why, but my hallucination is that people are calling it off because they're starting to hear the news that the market is softening and they don't think it's a good time to buy. They might be thinking that maybe if they wait until next year, next quarter, or the second or third quarter of next year, it might be a better time to buy. And that might be the case. I don't know. Who knows, right? A record of 22% of homes for sale had a price drop in September as home buyer bidding was eased. So what's interesting about this stat is that the number of homes sold dropped 25%, but also new listings dropped 22%. We were already in a low inventory place, and now they're saying that new listings fell 22%. Now, overall listings are up, but newer listings compared to last year are down, I believe is what this article is saying. Very clear, guys. We're losing 0.5%, by the way, month over month. Is insanity. At that rate, that's an additional 6% next year. Home buyers are backing off because mortgage rates are now the highest level in 2 decades, which has driven monthly housing payments for buyer up more than 50% year over year. Prospective sellers are backing off because they don't want to risk losing their low mortgage rates. Median sales price in September of 2022, 403,797. Negative 0.5% year over year, but it's still 7.6% increase and 25% less pending sales year over year. Yikes, ladies and gentlemen. That is a big freaking chunk. A quarter of the buyers are gone. There's still an undersupply of housing in the United States of America by 5.5 million shortage in housing. There is still a need for housing. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Just buy it intelligently. Know what you're buying. Buy good deals, okay? A lot of crazy information here with this data, right? All of this stuff may lead us to believe that we're heading into a crash. But here's the thing, man. I remember April of 2022, I was having my meetups, and I remember sharing with the members of my meetup group saying, man, this is it. It's time to take advantage. You know, everything's going to go on sale. This pandemic, this is crazy. And I was wrong. The market went the other way. Those of us that try to predict nothing is normal, nothing is going the way that we intended to be. This is weird times we're living in. The feds are increasing the interest rates, and still, inflation is still through the roof. They're supposed to be fighting inflation. Inflation is not coming down. Car prices are not coming down. Have you looked at the gas prices again lately? It's just weird time. We have a war going on. The market is down. The stock market is down. The real estate market seems like it's coming down. People aren't selling. Inventory is still low. I don't know what's going to happen. However, my thought process is, and my strategy is to continue to buy and continue to be disciplined in the way I buy. I continue to buy deals that make sense. I continue to buy deals that cash flow. Even with the current interest rates, I continue to buy properties to buy, fix, and sell And the reason I'm still doing that in this market is because the properties that I'm buying and fixing and selling in this market are affordable homes. There will always be a need for affordable homes in America. There will always be a buyer for that $250,000, $225,000, 3.2, 3.1 starter home that's nicely done, clean cut, everything new. There's always going to be a buyer for that, right? The key is how you buy it and then the product that you deliver and what you're doing. Stay disciplined, right, with your numbers. Number one, if you're an investor, stay disciplined with your numbers. Number two, if you're a buyer, I would be going out and right now and looking for properties that fit your budget. Now, make sure you're paying attention to your interest rate. So the first thing I would be doing is talking to my broker, right, or my banker. If you're an investor and you're looking to buy, the first thing I would be doing is I would be stress testing my deals with 8-9% interest rates, right? So if you're buying a deal to buy and hold long term to cash flow, I would highly recommend that you make sure you run your numbers, your exit numbers, your refi long-term debt numbers with 8 and 9%. Here's the deal, guys. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Real estate is very forgiving over time. The data tells us so. Don't get caught up in what is happening right now and the hype. Be disciplined with your numbers. Run your numbers right. Pay attention and stay disciplined, y'all. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop us a comment. Would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. You've been listening to Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast, where individuals just like you come to learn how to create wealth through real estate investing. Peace out. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to continue to watch videos like this one, make sure you click this video right up here. I think you might like it. Also, if you want to learn how to create wealth through real estate investing, make sure you check out my online course. The links to that course is down below, where I share with you how to get your first deal within 60 days. Thank you for watching. And again, peace out.